Hello, and welcome to today's Bond Photography's Photoshop tutorial. We'll be looking at how to put one image on top of another. Here I have an image of the River Thames. I feel it would be helpful to have something extra in the sky, so I'm going to add this image of a bird. I've already saved this as a PNG file, so there's no background in the way. Let's get started. The first method we're going to look at, and one that people new to Photoshop might think of first, is to copy and paste, and this can be done easily. Either go to the top of the screen and go to select all to start with, so you've got the dotted lines around the outside showing that it's been selected, and then either use the keyboard shortcuts Control and C, or go to edit and copy. It's then just a matter of going to your second picture, again using Control and V or edit, paste, and the image appears on the screen. You can then drag it to wherever you want to go. The next method is to actually drag and drop it into the image you want. Make sure the move tool at the top is selected, and then go into your image, hold the left down mouse key down and drag it up to the next image. Hold it over the bar at the top. Once the image appears, drag it back down and let go. You can then move it to wherever in the scene that you want. It's as simple as that. The next method, which is also useful for copying layers across as well, is to actually duplicate the image. Go down to your layer, right click on it, and at the top it will say duplicate layer. Click on that. By default it comes up with the document that you're on, but if you want another document, click on the button there and select your other image. Click OK. That will have now, if you go to it, I've put it into that document, and again you can move that wherever you want on the image. The final method is very good if you haven't already opened the other image, and that is to place it. Go to File at the top of the page and then come down to Place Embedded. Once you click on that, it will come up with your location. Click on where it is and then click Place. The advantage of this is not only can you move it around, but you can also resize it at the same time. Once you're happy with where it is and the size of it, go to the top of the screen and click the little tick mark and it will be placed on there. That's 4 different methods for putting one image on top of the other. I hope you find them useful and come back in future to see some of my other basic tips.